Tired of spending hours on manual editing and rigid templates and still not getting the video you imagined? In this video, I'll show you how CapCut's new AI Video Maker 2.0 works like a smart video agent that helps you plan, build, and polish videos with you step by step, all inside the CapCut web editor. Before we get started, you'll find the link in the description below. Just click it and hit Try Online to jump straight into the editor and follow along with me in real time. Let's dive in and see how it works. To get started, go to the CapCut website in your browser, log in with your account, and open the web version. On the main dashboard, you'll see the AI Video Maker 2.0 entry. Click that, and it opens a fresh project where the AI agent guides you through the whole process. Instead of basic one-click template videos, AI Video Maker 2.0 upgrades you to a conversational AI video agent that lets you brainstorm, generate, and fine-tune videos faster, smarter, and with pro-level creative control.
When the plane started to fall, the passengers did something no one expected. They gave the last parachute to a cat.
You're not just choosing a template anymore. You're actually talking to an AI that understands scenes, story, visuals, and timing. The first big change is the infinite canvas. Instead of being stuck in a cramped, linear timeline, you now work on a non-linear canvas where your ideas appear as visual cards. You can type a prompt like, "The secret history of coffee beans," upload reference images or rough video clips, and combine text, images, and videos as inputs. The AI turns all of this into cards on the canvas so you can drag, rearrange, group, and zoom in or out to see your whole story. This makes it much easier to go from a rough idea in your head to a clear visual structure on screen. Let me actually show you how the storyboard system works with a real example. I'm going to build a short educational video called "The Secret History of Coffee Beans" using just a paragraph of text and a few images. I paste my short article into the input box, upload 2 or 3 supporting images, and click the button to generate storyboard on canvas. In a few seconds, AI Video Maker 2.0 breaks that content into scene cards, an opening hook, a visual about coffee farms, a section on roasting, and a closing takeaway, all laid out visually on the infinite canvas. Now I can zoom out to see the entire flow, or zoom into one card to refine it.
Legend tells of Kaldi, a young Ethiopian goat herd. One day, he noticed his goats dancing with unusual energy after eating bright red berries from a strange bush.
If the hook feels too long, I click that scene card and ask the AI to make this intro more punchy, and it rewrites the text and updates the visual suggestion. If I want an extra scene about sustainable farming, I add a new card, type a one-line prompt, and the storyboard fills in with matching visuals and narration ideas. This turns raw information into a structured, visual explainer in just a few steps. This tool is built for both beginners and pros. You get 2 layers of control: visual editing through the interface and language-based editing through simple commands. With the visual controls, you can add, delete, trim, and rearrange shots on the timeline. You can select any shot or voice line and regenerate just that part using a quick prompt instead of rebuilding your entire video. With language commands, you simply type instructions like, "Make all clips a bit shorter," "Change the tone to more energetic," or "Soften the voiceover," and the AI applies those changes across the project. If you love detailed control, you still have it. If you prefer fast, natural language edits, you get that too. Let's turn that into a hands-on tutorial. Once my coffee video is generated, the timeline is automatically built under the canvas. I click into the command box and type, "Make all clips 10% shorter and increase pacing." Then I hit enter and watch how the timeline updates across the project. Each clip gets slightly trimmed, transitions tighten up, and the overall duration shrinks just enough to feel snappier without losing the story. If it feels too fast, I can type "slow pacing slightly," and the AI rebalances the timings again. Now let's use this in a practical creator scenario, turning a long article into a science explainer video. I paste a science blog post into the project, give the AI a title like "Why the Sky Changes Color," and ask it to create a 3-minute explainer with simple visuals for YouTube. The AI breaks the text into logical scenes, suggests visuals like sky time-lapses, diagrams, and simple motion graphics, and builds a storyboard on the infinite canvas. Once that's ready, I generate the full video, then type, "Create a 45-second vertical version for shorts." AI Video Maker 2.0 generates a shorter 9:16 cut focused on the hook and main explanation, so I get both long-form and short-form videos from the same source. You can also create videos based on a reference. If you have a video you like, or a style that worked well, you can upload it or drop a link. The agent analyzes its storyboard and pacing. Then you change key details through prompts, such as turning "a day at the potato factory" into "a day at the tomato factory," or changing "space lion" into "space panda." The AI keeps the underlying structure but rebuilds the content around your new idea, giving you something fresh but familiar. Let's turn that into a complete showcase. I upload a reference vlog called "A Day at the Potato Factory" into AI Video Maker 2.0 and choose the "Create based on this video" option. The tool extracts the scene structure, arrival, tour, process shots, and closing reflection. Then I type, "Remix this into a day at the tomato factory with brighter colors and more upbeat pacing." The storyboard updates with new shot suggestions, title cards, and color direction, while keeping the same rhythm and structure. With one click, I generate both a 16:9 YouTube version and a 9:16 TikTok/Reels version, so the same concept works across platforms.
Welcome to the vibrant world of tomatoes. It all starts in these sun-drenched fields where nature meets modern technology. Freshly harvested, these red beauties arrive at our state-of-the-art factory.
Here's another real-world scenario: emotional or healing content. I start a fresh project and type a short prompt like 10 minutes of calming clouds and soft light with gentle, positive affirmations. The AI proposes a looped scene structure on the canvas, slow sky movements, abstract light textures, and simple, centered text cards. I accept the storyboard, generate the video, and then type a language command. Make transitions softer and slow down the text animations. The AI updates the style automatically, giving me a relaxing, immersive loop without me fine-tuning every keyframe. For marketing and product content, you can start with product photos and a few key selling points. The AI generates storyboard options and turns them into ready-to-post product videos in different formats, so you can cover multiple platforms quickly. For short dramas and UGC content, you can describe your characters and a basic situation, or upload family and pet photos. The AI helps you expand them into scripts, storyboards, and stylized visuals, even if you didn't start with a complete script. Let's do one more complete tutorial: building a product promo from scratch. I upload 3 product photos, type in bullet point benefits like lightweight, waterproof, all-day battery, and ask the AI to create a 30-second product video for social media with bold text and close-up shots. AI Video Maker 2.0 lays out a storyboard that opens with a hero shot, cycles through each benefit with matching visuals, and ends on a call to action.
Experience the future of connectivity. Meet the all-new, sleek green smartphone designed for the modern world. Incredibly lightweight and fully waterproof, it is built to handle every adventure without missing a beat. Power through your entire day with innovation. Experience it now and learn more today.
After generating the video, I type, "Make all text more punchy and add a subtle zoom on every product shot," and watch the AI update both the wording and the camera moves across the entire timeline. AI Video Maker 2.0 is especially powerful if you create content regularly and feel stuck in repetitive editing. It's ideal for YouTubers, short-form creators, educators, and marketers who want to turn raw ideas, links, or photos into structured videos without spending hours on planning and rough cuts. If you juggle multiple platforms or clients, the infinite canvas plus batch versioning means you can reuse the same core idea in many formats while still keeping each video unique and on-brand. So in the end, AI Video Maker 2.0 gives you an infinite canvas, multimodal inputs, smart storyboarding, visual plus language-based editing, batch versions, and reference-based creation, all in one place. If you want to move beyond basic templates and actually collaborate with an AI that understands storytelling, try building your next video with this workflow and see how much faster you can go from idea to final video. If you want to try CapCut's AI Video Maker 2.0 for yourself, I'll leave a link to the web version in the description. Use that link to access a limited free quota so you can test these AI features, follow along with the tutorials from this video, and see how it fits into your own content workflow.